Semicolons are often misunderstood, but have no fear, I'm going to go over the secrets of semicolons with you. I am on Grammar Girl's website where you'll find a podcast of this topic as well. So I want to go down to her example. I have a big test tomorrow, semicolon, I can't go out tonight. And notice that there's a version of it with a period here as well. So essentially, a semicolon has two parts to it. It has a period indicating that we have two complete sentences, and a comma indicating that those are closely related sentences. And that is the essence of a semicolon. Use it between two complete thoughts that are closely related. I'm sharing this with you because you had a couple of semicolon issues in your paper. If you'd like to find one of them, tell me why it's an issue and how to fix it in the comments area for this assignment. I will bump your grade up by 5 points.